I'm studying the Diploma here, APC. Yeah, it's good. I really like the practical side of things. So you do all the theory work, but then obviously putting it into hands-on, it's definitely a go.
I'm from Melbourne and I'm doing the Cert 3 patient transport course. What motivated me to study was I saw it on Facebook first, actually a few months ago. And then I was thinking about it, like watching TV, watching the paramedics on TV, and I've just always cared about people, so I thought this would be for me. I'm
actually doing emergency services out in the mine site at the moment, so I just wanted to really build on my medical side of things and push towards that emergency services officer role. When I'm on night shifts and stuff like that, I can actually do a lot of study and get a lot out of the way, so it's been pretty good for me.
I'm from Brisbane, originally Scotland, and I studied the Cert 4 and Diploma. I do nursing back in Scotland, so when I came over here I just wanted to advance my skills and get out on the actual field. So I wanted to try something that's more hands-on and a rush, so I wanted to do paramedical science.
Online it's not as hard as people think. I find it much easier than classroom work actually.
I'm doing the Diploma and Cert 4. I'm ex-air crash rescue. I did that for nearly 10 years. I left that when I came out to Australia because I did that in the UK. This is a new challenge for me, and I haven't looked back.
There's really good support and they reply instantly on the emails, and like within a day you've got to reply.
All the support through Facebook, and if you've got any questions you just ask people.
If you're considering paramedic course, do it with APC. They're very supportive, trainers are very supportive, the success team are very supportive.
It's been really good actually. I've learnt more doing the practical than I actually do from learning on the studies, so it's good to put the practical and the working environment together.
If you dilly-dally, seriously, you're going to miss out. It's a wonderful experience. It's very involved, but it's rewarding as well.